So here's how to hide YouTube account by using your mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your YouTube application for real quick. And now from here, you need to go and select the profile icon on the bottom right side corner. Here's the profile icon, just select it down. And now once you have done to here, you need to go and select the Google account option right over here. So select this one. Then scroll it down and you will find the data and privacy. Then simply select this option. Then once again scroll it down to the bottom. Alright, like here. And then you will find delete a Google service. So you need to select this option. And now once you have here, you need to go and select the trash bin icon right beside the YouTube. So select the trash bin and you will probably find I want to hide my channel, this option. You need to select these two and simply tap on the hide my channel option to permanently hide your channel from the internet. So that's how you can simply hide YouTube account on Android or iOS device. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.